My name's Allen Hart, and today I'm working with Mike Mackie in Keighley in West Yorkshire. Taking out an old Vokera Linea Max. We're replacing it with a Viessmann 222. Just getting on wheels here to get it into place. These boilers are quite a large boiler. They are an amazing boiler, they give amazing performance, but you do need to make sure you've got the room to enable you to have this in your property. It has the cylinder and the boiler all built into one. So wiring the outdoor sensor into the boiler now. This boiler's got advanced weather compensation. The performance from this boiler is absolutely amazing. You see there how fast it's coming out of the hot tap. It will fill a bath in no time at all. I'm not even able to have the sink on full. It's coming out so fast. So for multiple showers and multiple bathrooms, this boiler is absolutely amazing. Really is amazing. We've now flushed all the heating out and we've installed an amazing Fernox filter. Thank you for taking the time to watch our Viessmann 222 installation.